iPhone X, pronounced 10/10/9, is a smartphone designed, developed, and marketed by Apple Incorporated. It was announced on September 12, 2017, alongside the iPhone 8 and iPhone 8 Plus at the Steve Jobs Theater in the Apple Park campus. The phone was released on November 3, 2017. This iPhone marks the device's 10th anniversary, with X being the symbol for 10 in Roman numerals. The iPhone X is intended to showcase what Apple thinks is technology of the future, specifically adopting OLED screen technology for the first time in iPhone history, as well as using a glass and stainless steel form factor, offering wireless charging, and removing the home button in favor of introducing Face ID, a new authentication method using advanced technologies to scan the user's face to unlock the device, as well as for the use of animated emojis called Animoji. The new, nearly bezel-less form factor marks a significant change to the iPhone user interaction, involving swipe-based gestures to navigate around the operating system rather than the typical home button used in every previous iteration of the iPhone lineup. At the time of its November 2017 launch, its price tag of $999 also made it the most expensive iPhone ever, with even higher prices internationally due to additional local sales and import taxes. The iPhone X received mixed reviews. Its display and build quality were universally praised, and the camera also scored positively on tests. The phone received particularly polarized reception due to the sensor housing notch at the top of the screen and the introduction of an all-new authentication method. The notch was heavily mocked by users on social media, although app developers responded either neutrally or positively to the changes it brought to the user experience in their apps and games. Reviewers had mixed reactions, with some condemning it and others acknowledging it as unusual in the first moments of use before getting accustomed to its presence. Face ID facial recognition was praised for its simple setup, but criticized for requiring direct eyes on the screen. Additionally, Face ID has sparked a debate about security and privacy. Apple claims it is significantly more advanced than Touch ID, having far less false positives, though media reports have discussed the fact that Face ID and other biometric unlocking systems do not have the same level of constitutional privacy as a passcode in the United States. Face ID has shown mixed results when trying to separate identical twins, and the promise of enhanced security has been challenged by hackers and mask makers trying to infiltrate it. At least one of such attempts has been successful, though difficult to perform. Third-party app developers can also request access to rough maps of user facial data for their apps, causing concerns among privacy advocates despite rigid requirements by Apple of how developers handle facial data.